Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase your RAM into your Windows 10 or 11. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So basically, you can increase your RAM by using virtual memory. So how are you going to do it? I will show you very simple steps. So first, you have to come over your search option over here and you just need to type about your PC. You can see you will get about your PC options. Click on that. And here you are in your about section. In my laptop, there are installed 8 GB. So I can increase it by increase of virtual memory. So come over this advanced system settings. And here is your system properties over here. So after that, we need to go for advanced section and come over this performance and click on settings. After that, the performance options will be pops up and here we just need to click advanced. After that, here you will get the virtual memory option over here. So here you can see a paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM. So basically what it says that in Windows hard disks, there will be some space that can help you to increase your RAM. So if you click on the change and you need to uncheck this automatically manage paging file size for drivers. And you just need to click on the custom size and here you just need to give amount, what is initial size and what is maximum size and how you're going to know it. So basically just you can see if your RAM has 4 GB, you just need to do this formula over here into for initial and for maximum size. So in my laptop, I have 8 GB RAM. So I need to go for the first formula and the second formula over here. So I will now open the calculator into my Windows. You can see over here. And the first one, I will give 8 GB into 1024 into 1.5. And this is initial size. We can see initial size into 1.5. So I need to paste this amount into my initial size. So if I minimize it and if I paste 12,288, and now I will go for the maximum size. For that, I will open the notepad. And now I will multiply 8, multiply 1024, multiply 3. So remove them and we will write 8 multiplied 1024 multiplied by 3. And you can see this is the amount of the maximum size. So I will give 24,576 and I will set it. And now I will click OK and click OK and click OK. After that, we just need to do closing the calculator and after that, we just need to do a restart. And that will increase your virtual RAM into your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So this is how you can increase your RAM into your laptop or in your PC. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.